Welcome to Competitive Examinations channel with Sandhya. Our objective to send you correct and perfect information regarding competitive examinations. We welcome those aspirants who working hard for preparation. We glad to help them. It is our pleasure to get us opportunity to guide them. This is right place for aspirants. As you know, competitive examinations world has tough competition to crack. When we talk about the quantitative aptitude test, even the smartest ones start to panic. But I want to tell you that it is tough for them who does not know how to solve it quickly with accuracy. On other hand, quantitative aptitude, it's like a game of fingers, quick and effortless for champions. In this video, we will explore and explain the detailed information about bank clerk quantitative aptitude test. It is necessary to articulate the understanding of questions of quantitative aptitude test. So, we will break down the topic into small part to make easier to understand. We will cover chapters like percentage, day, number series and many more, including tips and books for preparation. Without delay, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press notification bell. It will help you avoid skipping any video and stay updated. We start with overview of the section. The purpose of maths test is to test and understand your mathematical and analytical skills. To analyzing your skill, they focus on main key points like speed, accuracy, and understanding of basic math concept. Bank has two exam stages, prelims and mains. Second comes Quant section in bank clerk, prelims and main. Let's talk about preliminary exam. It contains 35 questions. Each question carry 1 mark, means total marks is 35. Duration period for completing the quantitative part is 20 minutes total. We have distributed the difficulty level from easy to moderate. E means easy and M for moderate. Quantitative exam contains negative marking 0 to 5 for each wrong answer. We have provided chart on the basis of topic-wise weight gauge prelims, topic expected, difficulty, questions, simplification /1015, E, approximation, number series 5 E/M, 1 missing, data 1015, M, interpretation, bar pi table, quadratic equations 05, arithmetic word 10-15, M, problems. In bank clerk mains exam, 50 question is provided with total marks 5 within 45 minutes duration. The difficulty level is moderate to high. Weight gauge on is measuring by topic-wise mains. A topic data interpretation D. Expected questions 15 to 20. Description caselet bar graph pie charts tables. B topic quadratic equations. Expected questions 05. Description solving to variables and comparing. C topic number series. Expected questions 05. Description pattern logics, missing terms. D topic simplification / approximation. Expected questions 510. Descriptions fast calculations. E topic arithmetic words. Problems. Expected questions 15-20. Description in-depth multi-step problems. A question might have or isn't in the minds of some people. What is D and what is the meaning of it and uses? We explain you. D full form is data interpretation. It is understanding and analyzing data, usually in the form of charts, tables, graphs, or caselets to make sense of it, answer questions based on it. In short, it's the process of reading numbers and figures and drawing conclusions from them. Its uses in 1. Better decision making 2. Problem solving 3. Exams and interviews 4. Business and finance 5. Research and analysis in 6. Government and policy making 4. Important arithmetic topics prelims plus mains. A percentage profit and loss. Percentage. A percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is denoted using the symbol %. The profit and loss. This concept is used to determine the financial gain or loss in a transaction. See simple and compound interest. Simple interest. See simple interest is the interest calculated only on the original principal amount for a fixed period at a fixed rate. Compound interest. Compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and also on the interest earned in previous periods. Time and work. Time and work is a fundamental topic in quantitative aptitude that deals with how much time it takes for one or more persons or machines to complete a piece of work. Time, speed and distance. This topic deals with how far an object moves in a given time at a certain speed. It's commonly used in problems involving trains, vehicles, walking, races, etc. Average. The average or arithmetic mean is the value obtained by dividing the sum of several quantities by the number of quantities. Mixture and alligation. Mixture and alligation is a method used to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients with different prices or concentrations are mixed to get a mixture of a desired price or concentration. Ratio and proportion. A ratio is a way to compare two quantities of the same kind, but proportion is an equation that shows two ratios are equal. Mensuration. Area volume. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement of geometric figures and their parameters like length, area, volume, surface area, etc. It includes both 2D plane figures and 3D solid figures shapes. Boats and streams. Boats and streams is a concept in quantitative aptitude that deals with the motion of boats in a river or stream, where the water may flow in the same or opposite direction of the boat. Pipes and cisterns. This topic deals with problems related to filling or emptying tanks, cisterns using pipes. Inlet pipes fill the tank. Outlet pipes empty the tank. It is similar to time and work problems where work =, filling the tank 1 unit. Rate =, part of tank filled or emptied per unit time. Partnership. A partnership involves two or more individuals or entities coming together to invest money, skills, or resources into a business, sharing both profits and losses according to an agreed-upon ratio. 5. Tips to crack quantitative aptitude. Master basics. Learn tables, squares, cubes and percentage shortcuts. Et should be on your tips. Practice regularly. It's a scoring and high weightage topic in mains. Time management. Use a timer during practice to simulate real exam pressure. Mock tests. Attempt daily and analyze mistakes. Shortcut techniques. Learn Vedic math tricks and approximation techniques. 6. Best books for preparation. Quantitative Aptitude by Arzagarwal. Fast Track Arithmetic by Rajesh Verma. Magical Book on Quicker Maths by M. Tira. Practice Book, IBPSSBI Clerk Quantitative Aptitude Guide by Disha Olive Board Test Book. So, in today's video, we covered overview, marks of questions and duration, topics, weight gauge tips for preparation and mention famous book name. Remember to focus on time management and plan accordingly to study. Try to solve previous year question papers more and more. Learn shortcut method to solve fast with correct answer. Don't forget to practice regularly and create a study plan that works for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. We will meet in next video with reasoning test pattern for bank clerk. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Namaste.